USDT. All right, so we're going to be using, Binance and MEXC. Yes, today it's a new platform that I'm testing, and I hope it actually works out the way I expect. But let's go ahead and try out what we have. So we have AMB USDT here, and this is the price. So let's quickly go over. I'm being told, by my signal setup that this is going to give us about like 2.4%, something in that range. So let's go ahead and see how this works. So we're going to start by, you know, we have $20 here. So we're going to have to quickly do a quick simulation, basic one, and then we'll go ahead and just get this done. So we copy that and we go over to MEXC to do this, right? So I'm just going to have to go over and see what they have here. So I'm already here in AMB USDT. You can see the price is 14.53. That's 0.01453. So let's just refresh that and sell and see how much we'll get. Okay, 37 cents. Wow, that is definitely in the range of what? This is just a basic simulation, right? Earlier it was like about 40, so but now it's going to 37. It shows that it's going down a bit. But let's go ahead and get this done. All right, so let's go ahead and try and see how. Let's do like the normal, like what I call the extensive one. So we're going to have to check whether we'll be able to get this sold quickly. So what we're looking for, you can see 1.7k, and let's go ahead and do this so that we don't waste too much time. So let's go ahead and put 100% and see whether we can get this sold. Let's do this quickly. Let's see whether we can get, oh yeah, we're on the queue. Oh, perfect. It's got sold like practically immediately. So it didn't pick up everything because I can see that, well, less than a cent, that is fine. Let's see how much we have. So we have 1401.94. So let me just snapshot that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this sent over to, MEXC. For us to do that, we just need to get the deposit address from MEXC here. So we're depositing it here, and we're gonna. So we're depositing AMB. It's the name is Ambrosos. Okay, interesting. So when I just need to make sure that everything was the same. So let's see. He said we should make sure that you also select the same. Let me check. Am I doing the same thing? Make sure that you also select the same network. Okay. Oh yeah, I did that. So let's go ahead. Tap to generate address. Okay, great. So we've tapped that. Let's generate the address. Okay, let's go ahead and get that done. Good. So we're going over to, and then we're going to withdraw. And let's go. We have to do all these things really quick because you don't want anything to go down. So we're going to be, selecting that, and we're going to put the address in there. Okay, and Ambrosos, you can see it's the same thing. So we're going to put max, and then we'll see. So it's showing you how much it's going to take. It's taking 1 AMB, so that's fine. We're going to get 1400 AMB. So I think that's it. Let's go ahead and get this withdrawn. Okay, so we're going to get that done quickly. I like to take a lot of screenshots. It's very important for analysis. Okay, so let's wait and see what it's going to tell us now. Definitely we're going to have to do our verifications. So, but before it comes up, let's just see what it tells us. Okay, I'll be back after I do my verifications. Okay, it looks like it has arrived. As you can see here, 20.34 USD. So let's go ahead and click on transfer so that we can make sure that we have it in our wallet. So we're going to do, everything is in spot. Let me see. Is it already in spot? I'm trying to get it. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Let me check that. Oh, sorry. Let's go back and see whether we actually have it. It looks like we already have it. Do we? Let me check. Let me check to be sure. Do we have that? Oh yeah. Sorry, I was actually thinking, like I told you, this is a new platform. Okay, so we're currently here. As we can see that we already have our AMB here already seated and waiting. So let's just slide that to 100%, and you can see that we have 34 cents made. So let's go ahead and let's hope that it seems so. All right, so let me go ahead and see. It says that do we want to sell? Yes, we want to sell. So let's go ahead and click on sell. So let's see. Oh, we're in the queue. All right, let's see whether we can get this sold quickly. Let me cancel that and see whether we can use our order book to sell. Okay, so now, but we need to check whether we can actually get that done. Okay, you can see here. Now, what we want to do is that we want to sell. Okay, so that means that we need to pick from this. Okay, we'll have 1410. If I pick on that, what's that going to give me? Okay, no, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. So we need to go back to its original price. Okay, so we're going to be in the queue for some time. So let's go ahead, put in the 100%. Let's just go ahead, put in the 100%, and let's get this sold. Okay, so let's see how this goes once again. So we're going to be in the queue. We don't have a choice about that. So let's see how this goes. All right, so we're currently in the queue. Let's see how long this takes, and I'll be back to give you the results. See you shortly. Wow, I'm back, and it has already sold to USDT. So let's check what we have here. Wow, woo, we have 20.342 USDT. This is sweet. Okay, so let's check what percentage this gave us in terms of fees and everything. So what we have is 20. Okay, we actually started out with $20, right? So if we check out the percentage, that should be like around 1.7%. So let's multiply that by 1.7%. Wow, that's 0.34. That's 34 cents, and that's awesome. Okay, so I mean, we can see that this was actually a very fast trade. It didn't take us up to an hour. So let me go check the order history for us to see what's in here. Wow, you can see it's actually a very new platform, my very first, execution of a trade here. Yeah, you can see that, right? So you can see that we actually got 20.34 here, but what we started out with, if you remember, is $20. Okay, so that means our profit is 34 cents. And you can see that the fee is zero. So it seems like right now I got a stint of information that they're currently, doing zero trading fees on Mexi. So I guess it's just a ploy to get you sucked in into their platform. But I mean, let's go and enjoy it, right? So if you would love to come over to, Mexi, I'm not their associate or anything like that. I'm just a user, just like you. So if they're giving me zero trading fees, why not? So let's go ahead and see. Thank you so much. I hope you have learned something here. This was a very interesting, nice, and good flowing one. Okay, we didn't have any hitches. In fact, let me just confirm the amount of time it took. Well, let's see. This is all right. Let's see. I've seen the time here. Let me go and check in what's it called now. Yeah, let me check here to see what time it was and how long it actually took. So let's check the trade history and see what time. Okay, what time did this take? Okay, yeah, just about an hour. Just about an hour. That's what it took, and 1 hour 10 minutes thereabouts, and that's really cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. So I hope you've learned something from this trade here, right? That's once you see a good signal, don't waste your time. Do all your calculations. Make sure your calculations are accurate. Make sure that you have everything in place. When we did the simulation, we saw it was 40 cents, right? Yes, but don't forget that we have trade, but we don't really have trading fees, just that sometimes those are just estimations, so it may not necessarily, I mean, you saw that it was zero trading fee, right? At that time anything could have happened, the price could have gone down or something. So we started out with the simulation of 40 cents, but by the time we brought it over, it was about 34 cents. So I guess it was a good one. If you have any comments about this, please drop it in the comments. Let me know what you think about this trade. If you have any questions or you want me to try out something for you, drop it in the comments also. I look forward to hearing from you. And if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead, click on the subscribe button, give us a like, so that this content can be shared, give us a comment, and if you want to learn more, come on, click on the link in the description, and then you get to know how we get to see all these awesome signals. Okay, God bless you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye. Hello and welcome back to Income Strategies, the place where you learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. Today we're on another episode of Inter-Exchange Arbitrage on KuCoin and MEXC. All right, so here we are with PIAS and trying this out to see how this is going to sell. So let's go ahead and try this out and do our simulations. Let's see, we have 18.7 USDT, so let's just quickly pick that up. All right, so let's quickly do this because we don't want to waste time. So let's go ahead and check what this is looking like, okay? And then, wow, this is 19.97. This is looking like a good one. Yeah. So let's go ahead and just quickly check on the different parameters, okay, for sending. How much is it to send? All right, so let's click on withdraw, and then we go to PIAS and see what is the network. Okay, it's actually 17 cents. That's 150 PIAS, 17 cents thereabout. All right, and that's on the BSC BEP20 network. Let's go and see if we can actually send this into, let's see if we can actually send this in and see what it is, whether it's the same. Okay, so let's put the PIAS here and see. It's also looking like the BEP20 BSC network. All right, that's good. So now we've been able to check that the two networks are the same. So let's go ahead and see whether this is doable. Okay, so currently, what is the price? Wow, it looks like it has gone down. Wow, wow, wow. It's now at 0.00115. Let's go and check what it is currently in KuCoin. Let's see whether it's still the same or it has changed. Okay. All right. So this is at 14. So obviously it is already going up. Okay. So what I'm seeing here is that this is really fluctuating. So we need to make a decision. It's either we decide that we're not doing this or we are going to do it. So look at the charts. It's really, really fluctuating. It's currently 0.00115, while in MEXC it looks like it's really, 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 really fluctuating. It's now at I'm looking at this right now and I'm seeing that the price is going up, it's going down, but we need to make a decision, right? And that's what I'm seeing here. Let me go and check what's going on in KuCoin. Right now it's at 0.00116, so it's really looking like this is looking quite dicey. Okay, but I mean, life is all about making decisions. Okay, so if I look at it, it's going in a varied number of price points. It's moving from 0.00113, it's going to 114, it's going to 115, and now it's at 115. And then looking at MEXC, it's at 0.001. This is looking very interesting. Well, I mean, I think I'll just take a dive and see whether I'm just going to try this out. Okay, in life you make risky decisions, right? But if you take a good look at this, if I'm looking at this and as I'm looking at it, the price is changing, right? And then things are changing right before my eyes, and I'm seeing that it looks like, okay, if we take this decision, probably, okay, can see what's going on here. Let's just move. Let's just make this move. And okay, right now, see what's going on. It's at 1118. If I paste that here, oh, this is 18.98. Now look at it now. Look at the price now. Look at the price now. The price is really, really unstable. Oh, there's opportunity to make money, right? So let's go ahead and do this, okay? Let's hope that KuCoin hasn't matched up yet. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead, take my screenshots, and I'm just going to buy. Okay, let me see. It says I have placed. Okay, so I'm currently in the queue. Let me cancel this. I'm just going to take my chances, right? The best that might happen is that I may lose money, but that's it. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to buy this, whether this is going to go. Okay, so we're currently in the queue. Is this going to go up? Is it going to go down? We're not even sure, right? So let me cancel this. Let me just keep an eye on it, right? I can see that the price has already changed. So because the price has changed, okay, this is what you call a game where you have to really be fast. Let me check on Mexi again. Okay, it looks like there's gonna be profit. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. It's just that the sending fee is a lot. Okay, so we just have to know what we're doing. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, so right now, as you can see, let me even see if I change this. Okay. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. It is gone. Okay, so right now there's no need trying to decide. Okay, next off is that we have to send this. Let's go and see that we haven't just made a decision. Okay, so let's go ahead and deposit this. Okay, let's go ahead and do this quickly. We are not going to go back. We are just going to go forward. Okay, so right now let's just click on this and then go ahead and send this. Okay, so we are sending this. The price is going down, but anyways, we've made our decision, so we need to move ahead. Okay, so I'm going to withdraw that, and I'm going to paste that in there. The network is already showing, so the max. Okay, and you can see it's already taken out its own, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and withdraw. Let me do that and go ahead and withdraw. Okay, so I'll do my verifications and I'll be back. Okay, so right now it's on its way. Let's go and see what's happening in Mexi. Let's hope that our hopes wouldn't be dashed. Let's hope. Let's hope. Let's hope. I mean, we've made a decision, and so we just have to abide by that decision now. But this is what we're going to set it to. Okay, so let me see if it's going to show whether it's going to come in here. So anyways, let's see how long this is going to take, and then we'll be back to get this sold. See you shortly. All right, so I'm back and the funds are already here. So let's go ahead and see how much we shall make. Ooh, well, okay, sorry, I forgot to change that. I forgot to change that. Okay, so this is what we're going to make, 19.6. So let's go ahead and sell. Let's see how long this is going to take. Okay, so we're currently there trying to see how long this is going to take. Okay, you can see right now the price has changed to 0.00117. Okay, so anyways, here we are. Let's wait. So we have 15,940. Let's see what it actually will be if they're saying at this 15,940. Okay, 15,940. Okay, we're gonna lose money, a little bit of money though. All right, because don't forget it was 18.7. Okay, so now if we sell at this price of 0.00117, we're going to lose like about 6 cents. So that is definitely not going to work for us. Okay, but anyways, let's see how this goes. I'll be back to give you the results shortly. Wow, I'm back. And it has sold. Awesome, awesome, awesome. This was less than 30 minutes. Can you just imagine that? This was less than 30 minutes. Let me check what's going on in the charts. It's going up. Oh my God, this is beautiful. You guys need to try this out, but don't forget, please do your simulations. Yes, we have made 19.6. That's it, 19.6. So what did we start with? Okay, we started out with 18.7. All right, and let me subtract 19.6. 19.6 minus 18.7. Oh, we made 90 cents. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, what is the profit potential for that? That's 18.7. Let me even do times 30%, which I'm not sure. Don't mind me, I don't even know where I'm getting all of that from. Okay, just by 4.5%. Okay, it's like 4, but come on, do your mathematics well. Okay, don't mind me. I think I've kind of gotten it, right? So that's like 4.85%. Okay, now I've gotten it. Don't mind my mathematics, okay? So this was like 4.85% profit margin. This is really good. Now, because PIAS is still very fluctuating, you can try this out too. Let me go and check what's going on in KuCoin. Wow, the price is now 0.00122. Interesting. Okay, let me check what it is now. Let me check what it is in MEXC. It's still 123. So you can check this out, right? This coin is really volatile. Really volatile. So I guess you should be able to make money with it. Just make sure you do your simulations. Like I told you this, I took a risk, but I was able to make 4.85% profit margin on this inter-exchange between KuCoin and MEXC. I hope we enjoy this. Personally, it was a risk. I enjoyed it, though it was dicey, but at least I made 90 cents over my 18.7 USDT. So anyways, try this out. Let me know in the comments if at the time you're watching this video the opportunity is still there. Please comment below. I would like to know whether this opportunity is still existing currently right about now. All right. And if it's no longer there, let me know what it is. Whether it is not right now, I did it from KuCoin to MEXC. It could be from MEXC to KuCoin. All right. And it could be from MEXC to another exchange. Come on, let me know in the comments what exactly it is. If you really enjoy this trade, please let me know. If you're happy with me that I made the right decision, let me also know. I'd like to know your thoughts, and I'd like to know if for any reason, you have any questions about this, right? And if you really want to learn more, don't worry. Click on the link in the description and you'll be chatting with me. Thank you so much. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. In this video, we're on another episode of Inter-Exchange Arbitrage from Binance to KuCoin. Yeah. Welcome to Income Strategies, the place where you learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. Yeah. Thank you once again for joining us. I'm so happy that you always come back to watch our videos. And I want to thank you, my awesome subscriber, from helping us reach 2,200 subscribers. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure and an honor to be here, giving out valuable content to you. Thank you so much. Without you, there's no channel. God bless you. All right. So today we have XNO/USDT. So let's quickly check, do the simulations, check our parameters, and see whether this will work. All right. So let's go ahead with that. So first off, let's just quickly see how much we can get. So first we have the price is 0.697. Okay, and then with that, with our $20, we can get 28.69. So let's quickly copy this and then go over and see what we can get in KuCoin. So currently here on KuCoin, and let's quickly paste what we have and see what we get. Okay, so we have 20.21. That looks a little bit slim. But let's just go ahead and see whether this is depositable or whether it's also withdrawable. All right, so let's quickly look at this. Since we're here on KuCoin, let's see the deposit, network and see what exactly we're going to be able to deposit it with. All right, so let's see. It says here, attention, please note that the minimum deposit is 0.01. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and check. So it has the Nano network. Let's go ahead and see what this has. Okay, Nano network. Okay, fine. Let's hope that in Binance we can also get the Nano network. Let's quickly rush over there. All right, so let's click on the withdraw and see whether this is good. Okay, let's check on XNO, and let's see what the withdrawal network. Oh, it's also Nano. That's good. So what do we have here? The network fee is 0.034. Let us go and check how much that gives us. So the withdrawal fee we just saw was 0.034. So let's see how much that costs. Okay, so it's just about, let's even make it 0.4. That's like about 0.027. That's not bad, just in the range of 3 cents. So I think we can go ahead with this. It's not like as if the profit margin is so great, but at least if you have like $1,000, you should be able to make some good profit of like $10 from this. So let's go ahead and see. So we're just going to go ahead and just quickly try to buy this, okay? So let's quickly do this, and then we try to be, let's take our screenshots, and then let's buy. Okay, I can see that we are in the queue. Wow, so what do we have to do to make this work? Let's quickly see the chart, because if I try to pick up something higher, I'm going to find out that this is not going to be as profitable, though the margins are already slim. So, but if it is able to just go down a bit, we should be able to get it. So let's just see how long this will take. If it's taking longer than usual, but before I go ahead, let me just even cancel and then seeing if I choose this higher amount, what it's going to give me. Wow, it's going to come down to 28.65. If I copy that, let me quickly go and check how much I'm going to make in KuCoin. If it's still worth it, I'll go ahead and do it. If not, we'll just let's just see. We'll just go ahead with this. Let me just see what this gives us. 20.18. Oh, and it's going to take like 3 cents. No, I don't think I want to do this. Let's go back and make sure that we place our buy limit, okay? So let's come here and just quickly place our buy limit, okay? Let's go ahead with this. So we're currently in the queue. Let's see how long this will take, and then we'll be back to give you the results shortly. Awesome. So right now it has already bought. Okay, so what do we have here? We've got 28.66. So let's quickly rush over to send this over to KuCoin. Let's not waste any more time. So let's quickly do this. We're going to KuCoin. Where am I going to again? So we're going to KuCoin. Let's just quickly click on KuCoin. What's going on here? I can see that the price is going down, but no problems. Well, we are already here. So let's go ahead and send it over. What we're just going to have to do, definitely most likely is going to have to be a sell limit, but let's quickly go ahead and quickly pick our deposit. Let's go ahead. Let's pick our deposit address. Okay. Let's do this quickly. We don't want to waste time. Let's go ahead and click on this and do this quickly. Let's not waste time. Okay, so let's quickly withdraw. Yeah, so let's withdraw our nano. Nano. Oh, sorry. It was supposed to be XNO. You know, all these names. You just have to quickly know them, right? So let's click on this. Okay, now let's click on the address. Let's paste that in. Let's click on the max. Okay, so everything is here. You can see we're going to get 28.62. So let's go ahead and click on withdraw. Okay, so let's quickly do this. All right, so I'm going to put in my verifications and I'll be back to continue the trade. Finally. Oh my gosh, it took such a long while for this to come in. I think it's almost like the longest 40 something minutes in transfer. Wow, that is such a long time. Such a long time. Anyways, we're finally here. Let's just still hope that the opportunity still exists. Oh, does it? Oh, it's even looking good. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Wow, what's going on here? Oh, I have to transfer. Now I was getting so ecstatic about it. So we need to transfer it from funding, right? We have to transfer it from funding. Where is funding? Yes, that's it. It's in funding. In funding? Max? No. Can you just imagine that? Sorry about that. It's XNO. XNO. So we need to transfer the max. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Now let's quickly do this quickly. Oh, did you hear that? Okay, so let's do this quickly. Let us do this quickly. Oh my gosh, what is here? Why? What's going on here? Why do I have only this? Well, it's actually better than it was before. So what it is? What is this? So this is 780. Wow. I don't want this. Let me see if I do this. It's going to make it lower. If I go here, it's going to make it higher. So, well. Am I going to do this? Let me make sure that I start with this first. If it's wasting time, I'm going to come here and change it. So let's quickly do this. All right. Okay, let me put in my verifications and we'll continue. All right, so currently right now we're in the queue. So let's see how long this is going to take. Oh, am I going to wait for this long? I don't think I want to do that. Let me quickly cancel it and see what I can get sharp. Okay, so if I quickly do this, what will I get? I think I'll just have to go with something lower. Oh no, this is not fine. This is not good. I don't want to do this. Let me just wait in the queue for a while. Let's just wait in the queue for a while. Let me just wait. Come on, wait. Okay, so let's just wait. Let's just wait for a while. I don't know how long this is going to take. Let me look at the charts. And, oh, yeah. It's still going to go up. You can see it's pumping. It's going to go up. So let's just give it a little bit of time. We're just about to sell this, so let's not try to shortchange ourselves because this is still going to go up. And if for any reason it doesn't, I'll be back to change it. So let's keep our fingers crossed and I'll be back with the results. See you shortly. All right. Oh, I'm back and I can see that it's really going down. So I'm just going to quickly look at doing this, but it's not really giving a good sign. The only one we can use in this order book right now is 70.75. So if I click on 70.75, let's see what that's going to give us. Click on 70.75 because it's actually going down. I don't want it to get to a point where we will not be able to do this. Let's just cancel. And then let's try to put 100%. Oh, so we're still going to lose. I mean, I could have taken advantage of this earlier, but that's fine. Let's just quickly move on and let's not waste any more time. So let's go ahead and then get it sold. Okay, so did we get it sold? Yes, I think we did. So what did we make? We made 26 cents. Yes, that's good. That's good. That's good. So the moral of this is this, right? We tried to get a higher price, but then we noticed that the price was going down because when I checked the charts, I saw that, it started going down. And this is quite risky because it experienced a good pump and then now it's going down. So it's better that you just quickly take advantage of what you can get before something else happens. So it was going down and I just felt, okay, the next in line was that 70.75, which because the other ones on top of it didn't have the liquidity that we needed. We only had like 3, 2 and thereabouts. So that's why I went for the one that had a good liquidity of 33 pieces of XNO. And that's how we got here at having our 26 cents. And what is 26 cents? That should be 1.3% if I'm right. So let's just check. So that's 20. Don't forget we started out with 20. So 20 times 1.3%. Am I right? So that's 26 cents. So let's go ahead and continue looking for other opportunities. Okay, so with this one, please don't forget when you're doing your inter-exchange arbitrage, you need to check on all the parameters, make sure things, oh God, it's going up again. It's going up again. But it still hasn't gotten to, oh yes, it's going up, but it still hasn't gotten to the amount of liquidity that we need. Good one anyways. So anyways, if you have any questions or if you have anything that you would like to share with me in the comments, please let me know in the comments down below. If you're interested in learning more, don't forget to click on the link in the description and you'll be chatting with me. Thank you once again for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Hello and welcome back to Income Strategies, the place where you learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. Hello. What do I have for you today? We are on another episode of Inter-Exchange Arbitrage from Binance to KuCoin. Okay, let's get started. So what do I have for you today? I've got AMB BTC. So let's go ahead and check all the parameters to make sure everything is set. First off, we'll definitely need to get BTC. So let's run to BTC Fine and see whether we can get it out quickly. So we're going to do the simulations first. We've got our $20 waiting here. So, but it's only picking up 1985. Well, we're going to work with that. So just take note of that very well. And we'll copy that and go all the way to AMB BTC and buy that right away. Okay, so we have 2114. let's copy that. All right, so we've copied it. Let's go over to KuCoin and see what we will get. What do we have here? It's 3567. Let's hope there's profit here. All right, so you just like paste that there. Okay, so we get 0.00754. All right, let's just copy that and go and check it, whether we're going to make money or not. Alrighty, so let's see. We're going to be selling. Let's sell it sharp. Let's put that one in there. Okay, so we get 20.22. Wow, let's go check what that is in calculation. That's 20.22 minus 19.85. Wow, that's 37 cents. Interesting. And don't forget, we gotta have to subtract, the transfer fees, but we'll go check that right away now. I mean, it looks like it's promising. So let's first of all go and check how much we are gonna withdraw this. Okay, so let's see how much we are gonna be able to withdraw this. So we're gonna put that A and B in there, and we'll see. What is this? What is the network? Okay, it's Ambrosos, and it's one Ambrosos. Okay, that's one AMB. Okay, so one AMB is not that much. Let's go over to let's go over here. Let's go back in to see how much is one AMB. One AMB. If I want to buy one, let's see. Oh, that's okay. No, this is not where you get it. We're gonna get it from the USDT side. So let's put one here. It's really less, not even up to a cent. That's good. So we gotta be fast before this thing changes. Let's quickly do this. Okay, let's see. Are we still good? We're still good. Let's hope we'll be able to get this sold, because I know trying to buy something with BTC, it's always an issue. But let's keep our fingers crossed, because I can see if we want to buy this really fast, we'll have to buy it at 0.0036. Let's try that out. We need to try this out to see whether we can get this sold immediately, or else we're going to be in this queue for like forever. Okay, let's see. So first off, we were able to get, so let's see. Let's tap on this 36. We're going to see whether we'll make any money with this or not. If it's not working, we're going to just cancel it. So we're going to put 0.00074. That was what we got. Wow, 20.55. That's really low. This is gonna be bought immediately. But would we make money from it? That's the thing. We don't know. 20.55. So let's go. This is what we call advanced simulation with the order book, right? So we're gonna have to put the AMB there and see whether we're going to make any money. If we're not making any money, we're going to have to be stuck in the queue, and that could take like forever. And maybe before it even executes, the arbitrage opportunity has gone. So that is the thing. We need to take quick advantage of the arbitrage opportunity. So I'm trying to see if I buy, with a higher price, would I be able to make money? Well, let's see. Let's see. Doesn't look so. Doesn't look good. Let's cut that out and check. But it doesn't look good already, so I'm not sure this is going to work. Yes, let's sell it and let's see what we get. Nah, this is 19.68, nowhere near 19.85. So the only option we have is to try and see if we are going to be able to buy the AMB. And if that doesn't work, we'll be forced to sell it back to BTC, to sell the BTC back to USDT. So do we want to try this out? Let's go with the flow. Let's see what we're going to do. We're going to just go ahead and see what we're going to get. So that's 0.0074. But the only thing that is giving me right now, what I call it the heebie-jeebies, is because once we buy with this 7.4, it's going to reduce a little bit. So I'm concerned, but let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. There's no harm in trying. And if it doesn't work out, we sell back. All right. So first off, we need to get BTC. All right. Let's be sure that everything is still set. This is at 3.5. Okay. It's 9,400. And let's go to KuCoin. so that we are sure that we are still having the opportunity still there. If it's not there, we ain't gonna go further. Let's see, what's BTC? What do we have here? 3565. I have to check this out one more time. One more time. I think what I did was 2114. I'm not sure. I think so. Let's put that here. 0.00074. 2114. Let's see. I know we're taking time, but if it's not going to work, there's no need going ahead. Okay, so if I sell this, what would it give me? Still looks like it's good. Okay, so since it's good, let's go ahead. We've got nothing to lose. We've only got something to gain. So let's go and get this BTC fast. All right. So BTC, USDT. So let's see what we will get. Okay, so right now we are going to get our BTC. We just need $20 worth of BTC, and it's giving us 19.86. So let's go ahead and buy. Does it look like so? I think so. I think it did. Well, let's wait for it. Oh no, it didn't. It didn't. Okay, that because almost it did. Right before our eyes, it sold off. Okay, so we have. I told you it's going to give us 739, but wow, that is not what I was hoping it would give me. But let's go ahead and see in the AMB BTC. Okay, AMB BTC. Alrighty, so here we are. Let's go ahead and buy and pick up everything. Wow, it's like we've lost 2 out of the 2114. Good. Okay, let's go ahead and place the order. Okay, it's placed the order right now. Definitely we're going to be in the queue. Yeah, I told you. So let's see how long this takes, and I'll be back to give you the results. But if I find out that BTC is pumping high, I'm coming back to change this back to my BTC, changing the BTC back to USDT if it goes up and it pumps. But before I go ahead, let me see how much did I even, how much did I pay for the BTC? 26,847. Take note of that. 26,847. I'm going to keeping my eyes on that, right? I'm going to keep my eyes on that so that we will get the best out of this, okay? So whichever way, we're on to making profits. That's why we're here on this channel, to make sure that any trade we do is profitable. Whether we get to the final crossing line or not, we got to be profitable. All right, let's hope this is not going to waste our time, and I'll be back to share with you the results. Okay, I'm back and we're still on the queue. So it looks like I'm gonna have to cancel this. I'm sorry, guys. I thought I would be able to push through, but this one, I'm canceling it. So let's cancel this because I'm seeing that BTC is higher. So let's go and see how much USDT we still have. I just want to go and check. Let's go to BTC. How much of USDT do we still have? We still have 13 waiting for us here. But if you can see, because we bought this at 26,847. So if I sell, let me see what's going to happen. That's going to be 19.61. No, I'm gonna lose, right? So I might have to go over to convert. It's like it's becoming one of my favorites now, but this time around it's gonna have to be limits because I want to make sure that I make more money, right? Well, what did we actually buy it as? I just want to make sure that I don't forget, because we have to look at the exact amount that we bought, okay? So we're going to check. I think we bought it in 2 different tranches, so we may not be able to pick it up. I think if you look at it, this is 18.5, this is 1.34. So that's together 19.86. I think so. What am I saying? 19.86, something like that. 19.86. Okay, so whatever we are, going to get this in convert, that's limit order to be precise, I'm going to have to make sure that we get more than 19.86, okay? Maybe like at least more than 19.87. Okay, so let's go and see whether we can do this. So if I put in the max here, but first, what do we have here? Oh, this is supposed to be USDT. All right, so the max, let me put max here. And when you put max, you're going to have to click on enter. It will go to the next one. Then we'll now see, we'll go to the next one. Okay, and then let's see if it will enter. Okay, because I don't know why. Let's do it again. All right, let's click on market. This one is supposed to be USDT. Let's click on limit if it would allow us. Okay, so what we have here is at the max. Okay, so it's just giving us like our money back. 19.86. Nah, I want to make sure I have more. So is this going to allow me to have more? I don't know. Let's go and check, see. If I make it 26.900, what will I get? Okay, that's 20. It's looking so small. Okay, maybe we should make this 27,000. Let's see. Okay, if I choose this as, okay, this is going to be extra 10 cents. I'm going to work with that. So let's go ahead and place the order at 27,000. Good. Let's go ahead and do that. So this is supposed to give us 19.96, which is like 10 cents more. Well, let's see how this goes. I'll be back to give you the results. Yes, I'm back, and it has already converted. Okay, yeah. So I guess you're seeing how to do this conversion by limits, right? Because I ain't doing conversion directly, because if you're going to do conversion directly, it's going to give you by market price. Okay, so right now it has hit 27 and it's already converted. Awesome. You can see that, BTC had a bull run, and wow, we made it to 27,000 plus. Good. Now it's coming down, so we're done. So you can see, let me go to BTC USDT to show you what we've got. We've got 20.09. Yeah, remember that this was supposed to be an inter-exchange arbitrage, right? And what stopped us from going on? We didn't get to buy AMB with BTC. We were stuck. And then the price started going up. Let me show you. The price started going up. That was the reason why. You can see right now we're supposed to buy it at 0.000035, and now it has been stuck at 3.6. There really isn't any way we're going to get this bought and make the opportunity work, because if you go over to KuCoin, you will see that it has already changed, and that's what happens, right? You can see that this is in 3578, so it's not even possible because the price is higher in Binance. And if you send it over here, you're just going to lose money. So it doesn't really make any sense. So this is what happens when you don't get to buy that particular coin immediately. And that was what happened to us. So I'm sorry that we didn't make it through down all the way to KuCoin. But along the line, we still made money because we had to sell back. We just did. It was just more or less like just doing like a spot trading, even though we didn't intentionally plan it to be spot trading. But whatever happens, make sure you're making profit. I would like to let you guys know that I do these trades live, so I can never predict what's going to happen. I'm showing it to you as it happens step by step, okay? I'm not trying to hide anything. If it works out, I'll let you know. If it doesn't work out, I've made up to almost 5% profit on these trades, and I've also made losses, so I always show it to you because that's the whole idea, showing you the behind the scenes and letting you know exactly what went on. I'm not trying to doctor any videos here. I'm telling you as it is. Because some people say, oh, what was that? That was not an inter-exchange arbitrage. Excuse me? This was an inter-exchange arbitrage opportunity that I found, okay? But it didn't pull through. That's not in my hands. Okay, so sorry for the ranting. Let me go back. Let me go back to, where we started from. So that's the thing. That's the reason why we couldn't get on with this, okay? But the good thing is, We made 9 cents. That's the most important thing, right? And that we didn't get a loss, because this is possibly could have happened to be a loss, because if you buy anything and you want to sell it back, you've already made a loss. That's the truth. So that's why we made it a sell limit and took it to 27. Maybe I should have even taken it to 27,100, because it looked like it actually ran all the way. Where did it go to? It got to 27,200. Oh, I should have made more, but that's fine. You know, you never know what happens, because you're not the owner of the platform. Okay? What if I put it at 2,700 and it never got there? And I will be blaming myself. Okay? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all for watching these videos and for learning from it. I got a very sweet message from someone who said he has really been blessed, you know, and he was finding a way to get across to me to bless me back. For me, that's just what makes my heart glad. The fact that you find value in these videos, I'm happy, right? Because I know the mistakes I've made in the past. And if I'm helping someone get out of debt, get out of problem, get out of, mistakes, or get out of losses, it's for me,